The Audi Q7 demonstrates the hallmark SUV elements of the current Audi design language. The new front spoiler design in aluminum-optic underscores the large SUV's ground clearance. At the front, the large, octagonal single-frame grille with 6 vertical slats in chrome give the SUV a more powerful stance. The headlights with available HD Matrix-design and Audi laser light emphasize the full width of the model. From the side, the trapezoidal window visually reduces the size of the Q7. At the rear, a striking chrome strip creates a connection between the flat rear taillights and carries forward the horizontal bodyline while emphasizing the width of the vehicle. New 19-inch 5-arm star design wheels with all-season tires are now standard equipment. 20-inch 5-spoke turbine design wheels with all-season run flat tires on Premium Plus and Prestige models, or available 21-inch Audi Sport 5 double-spoke modular design wheels with all-season tires. Also available are 22-inch Audi Sport 5-arm edge design wheels in matte platinum with summer performance tires, standard LED headlights with LED taillights and dynamic turn signals, or available HD Matrix design LED headlights with full LED taillights. When equipped with the available HD Matrix design headlights with Audi laser light, fast-moving light animations play in the headlights and taillights when the vehicle is locked and unlocked. Chrome exterior window surrounds and roof rails. Continuing the brand's move toward a more modern interior, the Audi Q7 follows the interior design language of the Audi Q8. The cockpit architecture harmonizes perfectly with the new MMI touch response display. An air vent strip spans the width of the dashboard, underlined by black panel elements and nearly uninterrupted inlays. Split tumble folding 35, 30, 35th second row seatbacks with 4 AFT position and seatback angle adjustments. 5 latch child seat mounting points, 3 pairs of anchors and tethers in second row, 2 pairs in third row. Standard power 50/50 split folding third row seats with electric fold and return functions. Standard Q-designed 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with shift paddles. Standard 3-zone automatic climate control or available 4-zone. Standard panoramic sunroof with electric sunshade adds light to the cabin. Available sunshades for rear door, side windows and tailgate. Standard heated 8-way power front seats with 4-way power lumbar adjustment. The new Audi Q7 features an all-new 3.0-litre TFSI V6 engine, which generates 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, an increase of 44 pound-feet over the previous generation, with peak production available at wider and lower RPM ranges. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, which is well suited for the low-end torque of the turbocharged V6. Its 8 gears provide quick and smooth shifts. Standard quattro all-wheel drive offers precision and dynamic handling through active torque distribution to both axles. This new V6 engine features a twin-scroll turbocharger positioned directly inside the V, paired with a revised Audi valve lift system to help ensure improved engine responsiveness and performance. The SUV is able to run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds.